everybody, it's John Henry's Tattoos. I'm showing you how to make chermoula in under 2 minutes. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so this is a very simple and straightforward recipe. I've got our main ingredients that we need right here. Other than this, we'll just need some other pantry staples. So just here I've got 1 cup of parsley and 1 cup of coriander. So I've already washed that up. Here we've just got 1 long green chilli. Now these are on the mild side, so I've left the seeds in. If they're hot, take the seeds out. Or you can leave them in, that's up to you. And we've got 5 garlic cloves here, half a cup of olive oil, and a third of a cup of lemon juice. So just into a food processor we'll add our chili. So I'm just going to coarsely chop everything up. The garlic we can add whole, that's fine. And the parsley coriander I've just roughly chopped up, just to take the pressure off our blades. Now to this we'll add in our lemon juice. And we're going to add in a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Next we'll add in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. And finally we'll add in our olive oil. And all we need to do is blitz this up. Alright, and there we have it. It's smelling absolutely fragrant. Just look at that beautiful colour. And that's the easiest chermoula you'll ever make. Okay, and simple as that, our chermoula is ready. Just look at how beautiful and nice and thick that is, and absolutely aromatic. So guys, chermoula is very good on seafood and meats, of course on chicken as well, but you can also use it to marinate vegetables or as a sauce on the side, and it works really, really well. So keep it in the refrigerator, you'll easily get about a week out of it.